What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna do something basic, something maintenance wise, not to the B15 but to the BMW. Yes, we're gonna be working on the right hand drive BMW today. We have to do an oil change on it, which has been asking for it for quite a while now. I believe we did the oil change when it had like I think 60,000 kilometers, because it is in kilometers, and now it has 78,000 kilometers. So I don't know how much is that in miles, but I'm pretty sure it's enough because the car does have an indicator light that says when to do the oil changes. So it's time for its oil change, and hopefully soon we get to change this front end out with the other one that we have, because somebody did back into the car and hit it, and we do have to fix the hood latch, because when we got it, it didn't you couldn't open the hood. So let's jack up the car and get it ready for its oil change. Now I already took off the cap for the oil filter, so now that was a 13. So now let's take out that old oil filter and put the new one. And the oil that I trust, that David trusts, that we use for all our cars is Valvoline. They actually told me that I could use this one. It's the new one, the blue oil. So we're gonna be putting this puppy in this car. So let me get the car jacked up and then underneath and start draining the oil. So the filter also comes with a new seal. So you just get a nice flathead in there and take out the old one. So this one is garbage. So we got the new one, and we just slide it onto the cap. Perfect. Now let's get the car jacked up.
He's supporting from the comfort of his car at all.
Alright guys, so now I don't know if you guys heard David, but he's on the phone with me right now. So I already took out the old oil, and now this car, it's an inline 6, so it takes 4.5 quarts. So basically this is 5 quarts. So we're gonna pour in all this, and well, not all of it, we're just gonna keep half a quart. So let's get to pouring. This is the blue the new blue Valvoline oil. Like I said, David, what kind of oil do you use for your car?
I use 0W20 for full synthetic.
But what brand?
Valvoline.
See, we all use
I don't know how to pronounce that.
Valvoline.
Valvoline.
We did the oil change on the BMW, so now all we gotta do is start it and reset the oil light inside the car. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I already filled up the car with oil, but on these BMWs, these old BMWs, they have a light. Let me show you. Right there on the dash, as you can see, there is these bars right here, and that's your oil indicator. That's when you have to change your oil, and that's why I already changed mine, because mine was at red. So what you want to do is you're gonna go underneath the engine bay, and you're gonna go on, so for you guys it will be the passenger side, I'm in the driver's side. So you're gonna put your car in the second one, and you're gonna need a piece of wire to jump the OBD. Well, this car still has OBD1, but as you can see right here, you take off the cap, and you're gonna have to look really close with a flashlight, but there's numbers indicating in there. So what you want to do is you're gonna stick your piece of wire, and you're gonna stick it in there to number 7 and number 19 for about 4 seconds with the key in the second position, and then that will reset your light. So let me go ahead and do it, and then I'll show you guys the end result. All right, we successfully reset the oil light. So now you can see that we have exactly full bars. Let me zoom in so you can see those full bars. See those full bars right there? Bam. That's basically how you do an oil change on a 1992 BMW. It's definitely old school. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys do like the videos, go hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, and let me know what else you want to see about the BMW. We are going to be installing the valve cover on Wednesday, so video should be up on Thursday. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.